Did YouTube stop recommending your videos? You notice that you are getting low engagement or YouTube is not recommending your videos to your subscribers. The reason might be that you have actually not taken note of this thing that I'm about to show you today. I was a victim of this, but when I came across a video, one or two videos on YouTube. I decided to practicalize this thing and I found out that this is actually true, that it works. So I decided to bring it here for you to try it, especially when you are not monetized. If you are not monetized and you are getting low engagement and your videos are not being recommended to your subscribers, you will put more effort, you put in your best efforts, do your videos and everything, and later on when you put your video out there, you will be disappointed because of low views, and when you are getting low views, subscribers won't come. So today I'm going to show you one thing that you need to do so that YouTube will start recommending all your recent content. Those your recent content, YouTube will start recommending it and you'll be getting views and getting subscribers also. So you need to just relax. That's what you need to do. Relax and just sit down. Follow me through this journey. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your account is verified. YouTube is making sure that they don't have bots on their app. They want to make sure that it's human that is using their account. So what you need to do is to check if your account is verified. It's just very simple. You go to your desktop, type youtube.com/verify and check if your account is verified. This may limit you. If your account is not verified, this may limit you from getting views and subscribers. So the this is the most important thing that you need to do as a starter. Check or verify your account first. So welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Amaka. If you are seeing this video for the first time, you click on like button and subscribe to my channel. So today, guys, I'll be showing you what you need to turn off on your studio setting. I'll be showing you what you need to turn off on your studio setting so that YouTube will be recommending your content and you'll be getting more views and subscribers. So if this thing is actually turned off in your setting, you need to go and turn it on now. So follow me through this process. Let's go and turn this thing off. So first of all, we need to click on our Google Chrome. You type studio.youtube.com studio.youtube.com youtube.com. So then you click done, wait for it to load. So once it's open like this, you take it from your profile to home tab. You click on home tab. So here, then you come down to for you and click on more settings. When you click on more settings, you go to your recent content. That's what you are going to put it on. You turn off all content and click on recent content so that YouTube will be able to recommend all your recent content so that you'll be getting more subscribers and more views. You click on recent content, then you click on done. You remember to click on done. Then you publish. You click on publish to take it to publish and click on publish. It's very, very important for you to activate what you just did. You click on publish and everything is set. Once you click is set, it will publish, see, it will publish your activities. Then YouTube will start recommending all your recent content and you'll be getting more subscribers and more views. Welcome back again. So, on this channel, I'll be bringing to you all the YouTube tricks that will enable us to grow together and make this cool cash. So, if you wish for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye.